Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to find the square root of 7056. We will be using the prime factorization method or the long division method for finding the square root of 7056. For that we are going to write the number like this and we'll start finding the factors of the number by dividing the number by its prime factors. So here, as the number is even, we are going to use 2 as the prime factor for dividing this number. So 2 times 3 is 6. 1 will be carried over here. So this becomes 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. Then 2 times 2 is 4. And 1 will be carried over. So this becomes 16. So then 2 times 8 is 16. Next, this number is again even. So we are going to use 2 as the prime divisor. 2 times 1 is 2. Then 1 will be carried over here. So this becomes 15. So 2 times 7 is 14. Then 1 will be carried over here. This becomes 12. So 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 4 is 8. Again, this number is even. So we are going to use 2 as the prime factor. So 2 times 8 is 16. Then 1 will be carried over here. So 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 2 is 4. Whenever the number is even, we are going to use 2 as the prime factor or divisor. So 2 times 4 and 2 times 1. Now this is an odd number. So we are going to try other prime numbers. So let's divide it by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 and then this becomes 14. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then 2 will be carried over. So 21. So 2 times 7 is 21. Again, we can use 3 as the prime divisor here. So 3 times 4 is 12. 2 will be carried over. So this becomes 27 and 2 times 9 is 27. Now 49, the factor of 49 is 7. So 7 times 7 is 49 and then 7 times 1 is 7. So now we got all the factors of 7056. Now next step is to write the number as the product of its factors. So we have to find the square root. So we'll write square root of 7056 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 and times 7. So these are all the factors of 7056. We need to take these numbers out of the square root sign. So as we are finding the square root, let's write the numbers in pairs or in squares. So this will be 2 square times 2 square times 3 square times 7 square. So now as all these numbers are square, this can come out of the radical sign. So square root of 7056 will become 2 times 3 times 7, which is equal to 84. So the square root of 7056 is 84. This is our final answer. So this is how, by doing the long division method or by prime factorization, we can find the square root of any number. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching.